Hey friends, if Services.msc is not opening on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, just search for services in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Maybe, just maybe it might open like in 20 to 30% cases. If not, restart your computer. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart it. If this doesn't help, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now. And after performing the sfc scan, basically we have checked for missing and corrupt files. So can this issue still persist? Yes, and in this case it could be because of a third party antivirus software product. Now instead of disabling that one, because a lot of third party products, not just antivirus products, a lot of third party products can cause this problem. My suggested solution is a clean boot. Here's what you'll have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.